Welcome to my video on Pabbly email verification. Today, we'll dive into this handy email verification tool that's designed to help you clean up your email lists and ensure high-quality communication with your audience. Pabbly email verification is a reliable tool that helps you validate email addresses and identify invalid, fake, or disposable emails. This ensures your email list stays clean and your campaigns don't suffer from high bounce rates or spam traps. Key features and advantages: accurate email verification. Pabbly checks each email against a wide range of databases to detect invalid addresses, temporary emails, and spam traps. This process helps improve your email deliverability and reduces the chances of your emails ending up in the spam folder. Bulk email verification. You could upload a bulk list of emails and clean them all at once. This is especially useful for businesses with large contact lists. Pabbly processes the emails efficiently and quickly. Real-time verification. If you need to verify emails one at a time, Pabbly offers real-time verification, so you can clean your list on the go. Affordable pricing. Pabbly offers competitive pricing based on the number of verifications you need, making it accessible for businesses of all sizes. You can choose from different plans that suit your needs, whether you are working with a small or large list. While Pabbly email verification is highly effective, it does have a few limitations. For instance, while it's great for most email list verification needs, some advanced features may require a premium plan. Additionally, the accuracy can depend on the quality of the data you're providing. As for pricing, Pabbly's plans are tiered, starting with an entry-level option for smaller businesses and scaling up for enterprises with large email lists. The service is generally affordable and comes with pay-as-you-go options. Clean email integration. If you're looking for another great tool to manage and clean up your inbox, Clean Email is an excellent choice. It helps you easily clean and organize your emails, blocking spam and helping you declutter your inbox. It's the best email manager. So, whether you need to verify your email list or clean up your inbox, Pabbly email verification and Clean Email can streamline your email management. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more reviews on essential tools for your email marketing. Like this video if you found it helpful, and share your thoughts in the comments below.